Now we're going to create a surface, a liquid surface. And to do that, we're going to open up a page. And this liquid surface is going to be that of the ocean. It's as though you're looking at the ocean from a really high altitude in an airplane. Let's say you're traversing the Atlantic or the Pacific Ocean, going overseas. The look you will get, or the way you see the ocean, is actually what we're about to produce here. Now I'm changing the foreground color to blue because typically that is the color of the ocean when you're flying at that height. So we have blue foreground and white background. So given that, I'm going to go to filter and I'm going to go down to render and choose clouds. I end up with this. Once I have that, the next thing to do is go to filter, distort. I'm going to come down to ripple. When I click on ripple, I'm going to make sure the size is set to large and that the amount is set to the maximum, 999. So you see we've got this kind of a ripple effect, alright, looking at the ocean from a really high altitude. And I'm going to click OK to end up with this. I'm going to go back and add another distort, which is ripple, but this time I'm going to change the size from large to medium. And here we have, a liquid surface. Alright, and as you decrease this, you notice your surface takes on this shape. And I can click OK, and here we have it. So if you're all the way up there in the airplane looking down, the ocean may look like this. But then again, it is a liquid surface. And if you want to enhance this, or the ripples in this particular effect, you could just go to filter, and if you hit ripple, it'll add more ripple from the last settings that you put in there. So you don't want to really overdo this because it's going to start to look as though someone painted it onto it. So I'm just going to Control Z that, and we have our ripple effect. And now imagine the possibilities of applying this to multiple other things.